So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with those black alloy wheels and tinted windows as well. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way around. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the bottom, the fuel gauge. And at the top, we've got the coolant temperature gauge and trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 52,073. You can change that information displayed up there by pressing the button on the end of the indicator stalk. Out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo and phone controls. In the centre is the stereo itself. All of the buttons here are what I'll be using up on this screen now to show you, for example, that this car's got satellite navigation, a CD player. We have the radio, of course. So this car has got AM, FM radio as well, and keep pressing the radio button, you get round to DAB. We've also got, as you can see, auxiliary input, USB input, and Bluetooth audio as well. So once you paired up your phone, you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly. Press the phone button to pair up your phone, and then just follow the instructions on screen using, as I say, a combination of these buttons, the arrows and the OK button to select certain menus. We have the main volume for the stereo, deadlock so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. Below that we have the temperature, the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed. Air conditioning is off at the moment, so that's it turned on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car as well. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set over here. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows. We have our 5-speed manual gearbox, 12-volt charging socket, our auxiliary and USB inputs, and then 2 cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.